Good morning, America! This weekend, we are going to take a look at the hourly chart of the TQQQ for the week of January 29th and February 2nd, 2024. As we take a look at the chart, the blue vertical line represents the start of the week on Monday. The green line represents the gap that was created when Microsoft and Google reported earnings after the market closed that day on January 30th. As we saw this past Thursday, Apple, Amazon, and Meta came out with their earnings, which took the market up to fill the gap that was created on January 30th. As you can see, the last bar turned red 30 minutes before the close on Friday, following the global geopolitical activities that occurred. The 5-day average price for TQQQ was 55.33. The standard deviations have also been marked on the chart. The horizontal black lines at the bottom of the chart represent unfilled gaps waiting to be filled. Seasonality speaking, the month of February has been a negative month for the past 4 consecutive years: 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. Most of the FANG stocks have reported their earnings. What's left to be seen is whether the TQQQ continues at an upward trend or goes down to fill the unfilled gaps. Brace yourself for more volatility ahead based on the current geopolitical issues worldwide. There are no new signals that have been issued as of yet. We are currently neutral. If the market heads downward, we are looking to enter or buy the TQQQ 65 March 15 call. The reason behind this is that every dip in the market from the October 26, 2023 low has been bought by institutions. So far, the market is in the favor of the bulls. More commentary to be followed in the next video in regards to market direction. In conclusion, there's a lot of money to be made in trading in the next 3 months if your timing is good, and a lot of money is to be lost if your timing and discipline is not up to the task. Let the market act and we will react. Continue watching the upcoming videos as we will be posting our trades. Have a profitable upcoming week. See you on the next video.